Program mode. Program memory full. Program memory full. Program stored. Thank you. Main program playback. I am Wowie Robotics Model RS Media, completely customizable robot media center. If you don't like the way I'm programmed, please redefine my personality.
Your back?
No. I knew I recognized that smell. Play dead. Good boy. Down.
Crawl to you. Uh-oh, it's gonna be dead now.
Bad boy.
Oh,
Run along now. Hey, I know you. Nice suit. Hi-ya! Hey, good to see you.
man, I'm getting
So long,
hungry.
and thanks for all the batteries.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, me. It's gonna be dead. Uh-oh, me.
Take that. Ta-da! Keep back.
And dead in front of the camcorder.
Out of my way. Left arm pickup. Darn these plastic hands. Left arm pickup. Missed. If at first you don't succeed, forget about it. Left arm pickup. Missed.
What?
Left arm pickup. Missed. If at first you don't succeed, forget about it. Guard mode activated.
I wonder if those two will be dead at the same time. Like by each other. They're like, bye, bye. Yeah. He really did go bye, bye. Look at it. It's going way over there. Bye.
Activated.
I want to come and get you, please.
I heard something. Someone called Robo
It's actually going. I know.
No.
It can't find it. I know. They're playing tag.
Clear the way. Clear the way. Clear the way.
And the black one
Clear the way.
is
Clear the way. Clear the way. Clear the way.
wow, It's stuck. I want them to run it at the same time. Wait for me, buddy, please. Snake bug.
Jordan,
What?
you should have saw this. Jordan,
What?
there was like this statue coming alive and it broke the glass on there. See? It was like a Dawn of the Dead or whatever. It was creepy.
Yeah, creepier. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Wow. Ah, it's even dead. The blue one. Not at the same time. Is that one. Look at how much longer it lasts. Well, I'm not going to plug it until that one is dead. Because I want them to charge at the same time.
Man, this thing is slowing down.
I know, that's going to be dead too soon.
Wow. Gets me every time, doesn't it? I'm seeing red. Tracking red. Tracking red.
What?
Tracking red.
Which one? Oh, the clear one.
Red.
This one.
Oh, I thought that would take a long time still. Odd, it seems to have disappeared. This is,
Blue one. Jordan.
it's charged, it's dead.
Oh.
Here I'm dead, and it kind of recorded they run dead, but I'm not sure if it really did. There it goes. Now that black one's going to be dead. Stronger.
I picked it.
There's the clear and the black. They make a yellow and a white one too.
Object has left scanning range.
Scanning range. That one's right. Uh-oh, it's dead now. It ran completely dead, and I recorded it up close. Whoops. Watch this, Lucas. He doesn't even know. He got scared the first time he saw it. He like jumped and ran away from it. You didn't exit anything out, did you? Oh no, everything.
I put them all down and I can't get them to,
Uh-oh.
see?
I know.
Jordan,
What?
Ginger was chasing after the bow that's downstairs.
No, you go away.
It's right there. They're in here crawling around. That clear one's charging. We just plugged it in, so it'll take 30 minutes. And his batteries ran dead.
World disturbance detected.
How can it? World disturbance detected.
You smell something.
He's bullying that clear guy, the black guy, because it's bigger than that guy. Nah. It'll get unstuck by itself. One of them will hit it. There it goes. It got unstuck. They're fighting. I recorded it. They smacked their lips on each other. and they went. They're cool in here, Lucas. The blue one was playing tag with the black one. That one's gonna be dead soon already, because that one doesn't last a long time. That clear one. Oh my gosh, they keep fighting! The clear and the blue one. They keep smacking into each other and backing up and stuff. Now they're stuck. Wow, that black one can't roll very far in there. Oh! What?
Okay.
I think the AAAs are dead in him, not the Ds. User error. Ah, now the blue one's tipped over. Auction canceled.
Over there somewhere.
Ugh. Whoa! They're fighting. There's this clear one that's charging. The light is upside down, the plug-in, so it's going to be hard to tell when it's charged.
Self-diagnostic initiated.
Initiated.
I am Maui
I don't know.
Robotics. RFB2.
Hey, they're looking at each other.
Low batteries powering down.
Low light levels. Camera inactive. Understood.
Low batteries powering down. Nick. Oh, now the blue one's tipped over again.
Righteous.
Well, it is dead, I guess.
I hope nobody saw that. Understood.
Who's looking at the camper?
Circuits engaged. Understood. Wow!
Wow!
Wow! I hope nobody saw that.
Low batteries powering down.
Ready to go. Puppet mode. Program memory empty. I hope nobody saw that. Target acquired. Stopping. Where did it go?
Whoa!
What?
Check out.
Uh-oh, they tipped him over again. I think it's that one tipping him over. Ah!
Yes.
I think it's working.
Who you talking to?
It's okay. Brain battery low. Powering down.
Oh, it just said battery's low. Low. I was like, so you were talking to a okay, huh? I have some, who you talking to? And he said, okay. So that's who you're talking to. Low batteries powering down.
Green batteries low, powering down.
Which batteries? Gray batteries or A batteries? I don't know what he said. It's tipped. Both of them are tipped over, Lucas.
What?
The skitter bots. Both of them are tipped over. What? No, I don't. Does it work under them? What are you doing? That one's gonna be so dead soon. The clear one ran dead already. That did not last a long time.
Gets me every time, doesn't it?
At all. Okay. Yeah.
Hey Jordan, this isn't a monster computer, okay?
I know.
No, you're not plugging anything in here. Still haven't fixed it. You can't have 20 windows open.
Did you guys eat dinner yet?
Yes, we did.
Did you, Mommy? Well, I guess see you tomorrow. Oh, don't forget your butt. Please. Here's Lucas's. Here, this one's mine and this one's his. Mine broke off, that thing.
You can have their own.
Extra piano. Wow.
That bike that he got infected with bacteria.
Bye.
Can you open the door, please?
Yeah.